This video is about polarisation. One key fact about polarisation that we must remember is that only transverse waves can be polarised. So any of the electromagnetic waves, for instance, and that's because of their propagation and the fact that they oscillate perpendicular to the direction of travel. So they both have vertical and horizontal components. In other words, that they can oscillate in any plane. So remember that transverse waves are perpendicular, and that means that they are at right angles to the direction of travel. Unlike longitudinal waves that run parallel to the direction of travel. So what we have here, for instance, is unpolarized light. Now, light that is transverse, it's going in any direction due to the excited electrons. And they goes along this plane. And you can see once it gets through filter A, only the light that is have got the vertical component will pass through. The horizontal component is absorbed. Now, when this light gets to plane B, no light will get through. It is all absorbed because there's no light that has the horizontal component. Now, let me show you what this is like with a microwave. Remember, microwaves are an electromagnetic wave, so they are transverse. Now that is another one of my videos that you can have a look at there as one of the shorts. And you can see that as we turn 90 degrees, we no longer hear that microwave. And that's due to it being absorbed. And that's exactly what we're seeing here between A and B. Now, one use that's key for polarisation is the use in sunglasses. So polarised lenses, they reduce the glare and so improve the vision of the glasses. So it's really useful, especially when it comes to water, because you can see clearly through that water. But ultimately what you have to remember as well, that any time that we have any sort of filter, is that we're going to reduce the intensity of the light. So it's important that we remember as well that when we are aligned to the filter, such as what's happening here with A, that they only are going to vibrate the oscillations in only one direction. So I hope that helps you a little bit understanding about polarisation of electromagnetic waves.